thinking. Thinking. No one to end that man. I don't love her still, because she's thinking about the dollar bill. Everybody! I'm in love with a man. When it tries my age. Don't know what it is, but it's something from the youthful days. As I told my way, I don't care.
I'm gonna sing about why not me Jun Gigi. This is how you do it. My name is Mommy. She likes it up. One day, one or two on the tree. She had the big life and she don't have it. Yeah, she gonna funny rhythm, funny rhythm, funny rhythm. This is how we do it. I wanna go study to get me one. Yeah. It's like online. By dinner time, it's well.
Oh yeah, and I'm looking forward to what I'm wearing today. I was wondering if I should wear it to church as well. It is such a nice yellow. It's so sweet. But I won't wear it to church today. I wonder if I could have worn the lace to church today, but maybe it's a bit too revealing. Maybe I should stay in my bed. Maybe I should tidy up a bit more. Oh yeah, got mop the floor. I wanted to say something quickly about the dress that I originally wanted to wear on the bar. I'm just clocking on another poetry. My heart nearly stopped. Someone who I've blocked is in a group with me, and I was thinking, them can't see my status. God, that person cannot have access to me. And sometimes I save numbers in the phone just so that I can see who the people them are. I used to love that lady. I used to love her. And she turned crazy. Anyway, on another point, I've just done a little mini vocal lesson session, just a teeny one, just 5 minutes. If you want access to it, let me know. I'm going to upload it to my, let me upload it to my YouTube. People, here I'm feeling myself. Lord of mercy, this is coming to a certain world. Here I am at home doing my antics, coming out here feeling so bombastic. Thought I'd show you, because it's all about matchsticks. Oh my God, I feel this is over the top, but it's me right now. I got this from Best of Both Boutique, and I've wanted to wear it for a while, but yeah, got this big from Temu. This is from CC Wire, Wire by Design she does, and my shoes are from Temu, so I thought I'd show you first. I didn't want to wear this big coat, but I haven't really got much different types of coats. Maybe I do. I've got a short jeans one Let me try that one. It's like, what do I think this is? Now, this is the best I can do. The bar bit bothers me, but it's the best I can do. Bring it closer. And this is the best I can do. Don't really need the coat, but I do want something to cover you, so I could walk straight. It's a bit breezy anyway. Listen, the way I think. Let me calm down and stay humble. Let me stay humble, but I'm trying to put these looks together. See how it goes when I get there today. But not on the real, this needs to get washed still, man. It's like I go right into the wash basket. You know them ones though. But they say, oh, we have to go for now, spray.
Hi, I'm Andrew Atra. Each and every Sunday you can catch me on the Rock 926 alongside Trevor Atra.
Wish I could. Sun behind the building and the buildings before the sun. Where is your way? We see yellow. I see yellow people. I see yellow people. I'm not gonna walk through that bit. I thought these two would be going where I'm going, you know. But them now wear yellow, but me know say it's a home. So actually it's a hotel. Don't move, man. Don't move, man. It's so nice on the Thames though. I love the yellow. Yellow looks good on us. It looks good on me, looks good on us. Yeah. Too pretty, yeah. Hey. How are you, long man? You right? You might not remember me. You right? Nice in here. Time for the stick. Time for the stick. Bye, darling. What are they Does it go to the fifth floor? How are you? You're right. Where you not down here?
House is upstairs.
What floor? Nice.
We've got a hotel room.
Ah, that's what this discovering.
I'm my shop.
Is it? Shouldn't I higher than the natural energy?
Hey,
You're gonna
I'm
be
drunk as well.
higher.
Shouldn't swear, but
Is this not
How
five? It's nice in here. It's yachting. It's a hotel, my friend. A nice place if you take pictures. You got behind me. You can have Ding Ding. In front of me, you can have Ding Ding. I want to go up to the 5th floor. Hi, you right? Do you take pictures? Do you take pictures? Yeah. Maybe I can do something. Every time on the soundboard, yellow, yeah. The yellow queen, say we look good on the skin. This is how we go in, and we know we have been in. This is how we go because we're 9 min. Every minute of the day, we timing on the rhythm, on the track, like that. Give me the just like that. It came out. Give me the just like that. What's your name, sweetie? Donna's got the vibe, man. Donna's got the vibe. That's what it's all about. It's all about the good vibes, isn't it?
I'm on top of TikTok now and then make.
I wanted to show you Excel. To show you the lights out here and the moving purple carriages. And O2 must be somewhere over this side. You can't hear me anyway, can you?
Decided that I will go back to the place where my mum was born. Because my mum is very dear to my heart. And Jamaica.
So that's Brandon Lee doing the speech.
Yeah. Pick up my people looking absolutely splendid tonight.
Doing an ID check of people.
Black people, you're beautiful, man. Me, I tell you something. When I wake up in the morning, this is After Dark UK. Checking in, yeah. What a lovely day. Fully embrace it, people. Yeah?
And the world's alright with me.
That's
You
what
got
I'm
more
talking
that, you know. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
just for your crazy. Hey, fun.
And then what?